So today we'll take a look at how you can hold a frame in a video in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. We've already selected where we want our frame to be here. We're hitting the ice with a hammer and you can see we've got some like splashback towards the screen. And I want to hold this because it kind of looks cool. So once we've selected where we want to be, we want to select our clip. We want to right click and we want to scroll down to insert frame hold. Once we click that, it's going to create this frame here. As you can see, this frame is now still till it resumes back on the video. But let's say we don't want it that big and we just want to make it a shorter amount of time. What we can do is we can click our frame hold here, and instead of moving everything down the line, because we already made some edits further up, we just press Command or Control if you're on Windows. I'm going to wait, see that little yellow cursor there? Just drag that in and everything else is going to come with it. That's by holding Command and Control. While hovering at the end, you see when I press Control, it turns yellow and you just drag that in. And there we are. And now you can see we play that, we do have a shorter hold frame. So that's how you hold a frame in Premiere Pro. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.